What's up, YouTube? Got something new for the charger. Hellcat. Obviously, since we're facing this way, it has something to do with the taillight. I'm going to make some improvements to this. Right now it's the first stage, and we'll see what we got. It has something to do with the racetrack. I see a lot more hell racing chargers around my way, so I'm going to differentiate mine from others around the neighborhood. I got the only Hellcat. But yeah, I just want to differentiate mine from others and make the car my own, make it look a little different. Add some little touches to it. All right, stay tuned. All right, so right here we got the directions. This is what a 9-step process. First start with cleaning, and then we need some tape. Let's see if you guys can see that. All right, cool. You can pause it if you want to get specifics on it, but yeah, I got a little cleaning stuff. I got extra cleaning stuff too. Clean around there. What you don't want road debris getting in there, and you get bubbles and stuff and rocks inside of whatever you're adding on. This goes on there. Yeah, look at the picture of it. All right, cut. All right, guys, it's all finished. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let's take a ride and I'll show you what it looks like outside. All right. All right, guys, I'm outside. Check it out and see what you think. Kind of good. I don't know, let me know what you think. Yeah, it literally took about 20 minutes to put in. And also, one other thing, I gotta replace these. I got some condensation in here. I don't know if you guys can tell. Condensation in there, so I have to replace that. Those two up front. Yeah, let me know what you think. The car's kind of dirty. You can't even tell though on the camera. Alright, comment below, let me know what you think. Alright, peace.